everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really easy macrame heart that you can incorporate into your wall hangings or even plant hangers or keychains or really anything. You could even turn these into really cute coasters. So let's just get right into it and get started. Alright, to begin our macrame heart, I've attached my rope to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. Our first step is to leave off the 2 ropes here on the end, and then taking the next 4 ropes, we're going to tie 1 square knot. So to make a square knot, I will be taking the side here on the right to cross over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then the side on the left goes over the right one, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I pull that tight. To finish my square knot, I take the side on the left to cross over the 2 in the middle to form a loop. The rope on the right then goes over the left one, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I just pull that tight. And that is my first square knot. Now I'm going to take the 2 ropes on the right side of our previous square knot and the 2 ropes next to it and form another square knot. I will repeat this another time, again using the 2 ropes on the right side of the previous square knot and the 2 ropes next to it. Now I am going to repeat what I just did here on the left on the right side. So again, I leave off the 2 here on the end, and then I use the next 2 ropes to create my first square knot. I'm going to connect both sides using the 4 ropes in the center, and again I'm going to tie a square knot. Now on the left end, I'm going to take these 2 that we previously left off and the 2 next to it and tie a square knot. I will then repeat this on the right side. As you can see, we have finished the top half of our heart, and now it's just a matter of cutting in square knots in a heart-shaped design. So I'm going to start here on the left and take these 2 ropes and then these 2 to connect to form an alternating square knot. I'm going to make one on the outer edge one more time. I will tie an alternating square knot between these two square knots. And then I will repeat on the right side. Now moving back to the left, I'm going to tie another alternating square knot right here. And then I'm going to move in the direction to the right, tying square knots as I go. Now I will start down here between these two square knots and repeat the same process moving to the right. Just like that. And there you go. This is how you can make a really easy macrame heart. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.